Getting key with maximum value in dictionary? I have a dictionary where keys are strings, and values are integers. How do I get the key with the maximum value? In this case, it is B. Is there a nicer approach than using an intermediate list with reversed key value tuples?
You can use operator.itemGetter for that. And instead of building a new list in memory, use stats.iterItems. The key parameter to the max function is a function that computes a key that is used to determine how to rank items. Please note that if you were to have another key value paired, 3000, that this method will only return one of the two even though they both have the maximum value. If using Python 3,
I have tested many variants, and this is the fastest way to return the key of it with the max value. To give you an idea, here are some candidate methods. The test dictionary. And the test results under Python 3.2. And under Python 2.7. You can see that F1 is the fastest under Python 3.2 and 2.7, or, more completely, key with maxful at the top of this post.
You can use to return the key value pair, use